You've probably heard of white chocolate, but what about pink chocolate? Also known as ruby, this new kind of chocolate has a fruity sweet flavor and adds a little twist to the now popular hot chocolate bombs. Here's how you can make your own. To start, you'll need some ruby chocolate, about a half a cup in a microwave-safe bowl. We're melting the chocolate in the microwave in 15-second intervals so it doesn't melt too quickly or get too hot. This step is important to ensure the finished product holds its shape at room temperature. Continue microwaving in 15-second bursts, stirring in between until the chocolate is about half melted. At this point, you need to start taking the temperature. We don't want it to go above 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and here it's at about 86 degrees, which is great. It might take a bit of patience, but if you continue like this, the chocolate should fully melt. Stirring a lot when the chocolate is mostly melted helps the residual heat to melt the remaining chocolate without going over 90 degrees. Now, using a clean paintbrush, evenly paint the inside of a circular silicone mold, making sure to paint all the way to the edges. Let the first coat dry for about 5 minutes, then add a second coat. While you wait, place the bowl of your remaining chocolate over another bowl of warm water to keep it from solidifying. After the second coat is dried, gently remove the half spheres from the mold by pushing from the bottom and peeling back the silicone around the edges. You can now use that same mold turned upside down to hold your chocolate bombs in place while you fill them. We went with the classic marshmallows, but feel free to get creative here. Now you can pipe a thin line of your excess chocolate around the edge of your chocolate mold. This will seal the two sides together when you place another half sphere on top. To hide the seam, simply roll your now filled chocolate bombs in your favorite sprinkles, then let them cool slightly and you're done. To serve, place the bomb in a mug and pour homemade white hot chocolate over top. You can find our recipe for that in the description below. And subscribe to Dished for more chocolate recipes.